Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm making a hanging home sign. For step 1, I am going to be wrapping my wreath form that I did cut down in, I don't know, raffia, I believe this is what it's called, or pieces of the Dollar Tree hula skirt. And I'm just wrapping it around it so that it gives it a texture, because I am going to spray paint this a textured black spray paint later. Step 2, I am staining 10 different beads that are 3 different sizes, as well as the home sign that's going to go in the middle of my wreath form, and I'm using the color Truffle from Waverly and some water to stain the beads and the home sign. For step 3, I'm just going to add my beads to my string. For step 4, I think the twine looks a little plain just by itself, so I glue another piece of twine to the back, and then I just start wrapping it around the 2 pieces of twine, and I'll zoom in a little bit here so you can see what it really looks like. And I always do this to anything that I'm giving a loop, a handle, or to my tassels, just because it gives it a little bit more texture and shape. For step 5, I'm going to burn the part of my handle that I added a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and tie the handle to my sign, but I'm also going to add some hot glue just to make sure that it's a little bit more secure to my sign. For step 6, I'm just sanding down the edges of the word to give it a lighter color brown around the edges. Step 7, which is the last step, I'm just going to be gluing my home sign down to my wreath form, as well as some flowers and some other little floral items to my sign. thank you for watching today's video. I hope it leaves you inspired to create some home decor of your own. Let me know if you liked this home sign in the comments below, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Bye everyone!